Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Should a Hanafi Muslim pray Witr with a Shafi'i congregation, or should they pray separately? So the same question essentially, but from the perspective of the Hanafi follower with the Shafi'i Imam. So similarly, there's an answer by Shaykh Faraz Rabbani on seekersguidance.org in which he mentioned specifically that I consulted a number of leading Hanafi scholars, including Mufti Rafi Uthmani, the Grand Mufti of Pakistan, about this, and they stated that it is permitted for Hanafis to pray the Witr prayer behind Shafi'is, even if it differs from the Hanafi way of praying 3 raka'at, such as praying 2 plus 1, as mentioned before. This is based on a followable position within the Hanafi school that what is taken into consideration is the Imam's prayer regarding the validity of the prayer. So as opposed to taking one's own conditions and integrals and one's own school into consideration to determine the validity of the prayer, this view is espousing that you should take the validity of the Imam's prayer as your own validity as well. Wallahu subhanahu wa ta'ala a'lam. And again, this would avoid what we commonly find in the month of Ramadan, where in a Shafi'i congregation you have some people who follow the Hanafi school and they break away at the time of performing the Witr prayer to perform it separately in either a separate congregation or individually separately from the congregation. Similarly, in a Hanafi school, or rather a Hanafi congregation, you may find that the Shafi'i followers would sometimes break away and not pray the Witr behind the Hanafi Imam based on the idea that the Shafi'i Witr is different. So instead of doing that, what would be preferable in relation to the unity of the Ummah and followable positions within the schools, it would be more advisable to pray with congregation and follow a different view rather than, relying only and solely on the mu'tamad view of any particular madhhab. Wallahu subhanahu wa ta'ala a'lam.
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah.